Hello everybody, got a 2009 Ford Escape with a 3.0. They come in with the engine light on, a few running issues with it. Got the scanner hooked up to it. Got a list of codes here. The intake cam position actuator on bank 1 and 2, the mass airflow, all 4 O2 heater circuit codes, EGR control circuit, evap purge valve. First thing I did was check the fuse of this thing, which is fuse 28 here in the fuse box. Burning on one end and not the other, so it had a blowed fuse on it. So I put a fuse in it, and as soon as I put it in, it blowed. So went back to see what's all on that circuit. This is the circuit, this green wire here. And it controls most of all that. The camshaft variable timing, oxygen sensor heaters, the evap canister vent or purge. Let's see here. Brake pedal, more oxygen sensors there. So I think we find where this short is at, we might fix the problem. So we'll go to looking for this short. Okay, I was underneath this thing, got it up in the air, and I'm just doing a visual inspection of the wiring anywhere I can see. And I come around to this rear O2 sensor on bank 1, and I don't know if you can see it, but you see that white wire right there? Looks like it's been shortened on that case ground. So I think that may be the problem. Looks like something nabbed it right here on this. Well, we know that's a problem, so we'll put that on there. See what goes on after that. Okay, I'm going to try something real quick. After I pulled that wire off, I put a 20 amp fuse back in it. We got voltage going through that now. I'm just going to put a 5 amp fuse in this and go under and momentarily ground that wire and see if that actually was the problem. Okay, I'm just going to take this wire, just going to touch it up here on this, where it was shorting out at. Oh, I seen it spark right then. Now let's check that fuse. Okay. Voltage to it, it's blowed. So now I'm pretty sure that's the problem. 100%. So I'll get an oxygen sensor, put in it, see what happens. Okay, let's pull this sensor off. This is the downstream oxygen sensor. There's a connector up here. We'll get it freed up. Try to release this tab. Oh boy, that's stuck. We're going to put some air to it here. Maybe. Take a better look at that wire where it was shorting out on this casing. Here it's drilled dark. It's ate into it a little bit where it's been arcing. Okay, we'll go back with this new sensor, put a little bit of anti-seize on it. Give me a tie strap and I'll tie that up. Okay, let's put this 20 amp fuse back in. Key is on. Alright, let's see if the codes come back on it. Okay, well, I know before I did a key on engine running test on it, and all them codes would show up. So them were hard fault codes. So let's run it now and see if them come back. And it looks like that took care of it. That's just the air conditioner's probably on, is the reason that's showing the AC demand out of self-test range. Well, that looks like that took care of it. Shorted wire, That was the oxygen sensor. That was bank 2, sensor 2. Thanks for watching.